Hey guys, it's your girl Samantha here with another exciting celebrity news update. Today, we have a truly heartwarming story about the power of love and the lengths one partner will go to show their affection. R&B superstars Nelly and Ashanti have been through a lot over the years, but their bond has only grown stronger. And now, we have an exclusive look at an incredibly touching moment between the two lovers. Get your tissues ready, because this is sure to bring a tear to your eye. Let's dive in. Nelly is relaxing at home, playing a video game on his console. He seems to be in a good mood, laughing and joking with himself as he plays. Suddenly, the doorbell rings. Nelly pauses the game and gets up to answer the door, wondering who it could be. He opens the door to find Ashanti standing there, a big smile on her face. She's holding the keys to a brand new sports car in her hand. Ashanti gestures to the driveway, where a shiny new red sports car is parked. Nelly's eyes go wide as he steps outside to get a closer look. Ashanti, yes, baby. I wanted to do something special for you. Nelly L, but how? I don't understand. Ashanti places a hand on her stomach, which is just starting to show a small baby bump. Ashanti, well, you know I've been working hard on my new album. All those long hours in the studio have really paid off. And I wanted to celebrate our little family with something amazing. Nelly is stunned, tears starting to well up in his eyes. He pulls Ashanti into a tight hug, overcome with emotion. Nelly, I can't believe this. You didn't have to do this, Ash. Ashanti, I know, but I wanted to. You've done so much for me over the years, and now that we're starting a family, I wanted to show you how much you mean to me. The two hold each other for a long moment, Nelly's tears of joy flowing freely. When they finally pull apart, Nelly can't stop smiling. Nelly, this is the most incredible thing anyone has ever done for me. I love you so much, Ashanti. Ashanti, I love you too, Nelly. Now come on, let's take your new car for a spin. Nelly eagerly follows Ashanti to the car, running his hands over the sleek exterior. He opens the door and slides into the driver's seat, revving the engine with a grin. Ashanti gets in the passenger side, her own excitement palpable. Nelly, I can't believe this is happening. You're the best, you know that? Ashanti, I just wanted to show you how much you mean to me. After all we've been through, I knew this would make you happy. Nelly and Ashanti pull out of the driveway and start driving down the road, windows down and music blasting. Nelly can't stop glancing over at Ashanti, still in awe of her gesture. Ashanti and I have been through a lot over the years. There were times when I didn't think we'd make it, but she's always been there for me. Her love and support have gotten me through some of the toughest times in my life. Nelly's, when I found out she was pregnant, I was overjoyed. Starting a family with the woman I love is the greatest blessing I could ever ask for. And now, she's gone and done this incredible thing for me. I don't know how I got so lucky. The car pulls back into Nelly's driveway. He and Ashanti get out, Nelly wrapping Ashanti in another tight hug. Nelly, thank you, baby. This means the world to me. Ashanti, you deserve it, Nelly. You're going to be an amazing dad, and I wanted to make sure you know how much you're loved. They share a passionate kiss, Nelly's hands resting protectively on Ashanti's belly. Isn't that just the sweetest thing you've ever seen? Nelly and Ashanti's love is truly inspiring, and this gesture from Ashanti is just another example of how strong their bond is. It's clear that these two are more in love than ever, and with a baby on the way, their future looks brighter than ever. I don't know about you, but I can't wait to see what other amazing things they have in store. Thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to like and subscribe for more celebrity news and gossip. Until next time, this is Samantha signing off.